Hello, good morning, and welcome everyone to today live trading session on Thursday, June 30 from 2022, 9:24 a.m. Less than 6 minutes for the market to open. Hope to find you all well and getting ready for the last day of the week, last day of the month, and last day of the second quarter. And half of the year already gone. So I hope that you enjoyed it. We have more 6 months ahead, and it was tricky, and it has been tricky, but we have been able to manage the trades, okay, as I've been saying, looking for ways to generate cash flow on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. And from there we try to build the account slowly until the market allows to put money to work into the long-term account. So this morning with 5 minutes for the market open, guys, we have SP 500 down 1.15%. We have the Nasdaq, as we are seeing right now, down 1.3% to start the day. So yeah, we having here some selling pressure, but market not falling apart, so we wait to see. Right now is a little bit tricky for either longs or shorts. We've been seeing that buying the dip has not been working, especially yesterday. We tried to buy the dip a little bit on Tesla, got in, got out, got the cash flow, got back into the cash, and market still heavy, and we need some patience. Okay, the easy part of the trading was on Tuesday. Okay, and if you missed the live trading session on Tuesday, you can watch it once again on YouTube channel. You see the recording there. We are seeing right now IWM, and you are seeing timestamp it. Okay, you can watch it once again, timestamp it. Everything is timestamp it. That on IWM, when between 9:45 and 9:50 is timestamped, guys. When IWM was making new highs, we were shorting IWM. We are basically buying puts 177, okay, at $1, and boom, look where it gone, 168, okay, and we are at 168, so $10 pullback from Tuesday where we shorted. That was the time to short. Now is the time to cover. Can we go down? Yeah, of course we can. Anything can happen, but from a risk management perspective, the easy part of the trading was on Tuesday for the short. Same thing with Microsoft. We shorted Microsoft on Tuesday early in the morning when it got rejected at 266. Right now it's at 256, so $10 down. Same thing as at WM. Okay, so that was an easy short. Right now, not that easy to short. On Boeing, I said to short at 144 versus 147. Okay, this morning is at 134. So from the short is also $10. So giving some examples that we traded from Tuesday, where I said to short, and those working well. So now the big question is, now what? Now we look for clues. Okay, AMD hit new lows yesterday, new lows for the year. It got an upgrade this morning. What is going to happen? I had some longs, okay, into the long-term account yesterday at $77. Right now is at 77 and 30 cents. So now we wait to see what is going to happen. We have yesterday those 76.5 as the key support. I have some risk tolerance, but if this break down below 76.5 and stays below, I'll be looking for taking the position out and looking for better prices. Otherwise, if stock goes above 78, looking for the gap to fill at $80. That will be a focus. I'll be watching also Apple. It's holding above 136. I'll be looking to see if it holds 136, if it bounces. We have 138, 140. That's the big supply zone, okay? Here and here, big supply zone right now there. Let's see if it bounce, okay, and if it's able, or if it hold over. So Apple, it will be a focus. It will be a focus also the SPY on the gap right now, gapping down 378.4 is the gap. It's at 376, so it's around here. I want to see if it's able to bounce and fill the gap at 378, and from there we will evaluate, or if it breaks down below 375, looking for the gap to fill at 369. So 1 minute for the market to open, guys. I'll also be watching the cubes, and most of the action is on the cubes. It was gapping down a little bit. I want to see 280. If it's hold 280, it can bounce. Otherwise, breaking below 280, it has a gap to fill at 277. Okay, so $3 down. If it breaks down below 280, so those are the things that I'll be looking. I'll be looking for some short covering and an oversold bounce. If we break down below the levels that I gave you, then we can have a flush down, filling the gaps down, and from there it comes the bounce. But on the way down, you should be trimming your shorts, locking profits, not adding to the positions. Okay, so 15 seconds for the market to open and entering trading mode. 10 seconds. 5. Good luck, guys. So the market opened with some names gapping down, Boeing gapping down, Apple bouncing. Let's see. Okay, some bounces. Okay, I got some calls on AMD. AMD bouncing. Big bounce on AMD. Jesus. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Trimming some on AMD. The fast trade. Damn. Big move. Just in a couple of, yeah, AMD going. I have some calls on AMD. Come on, guys, push. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. AMD going nicely. Trimming some. 50% in 1 minute. Dear Lord. Oh boy. Oh boy. What the freaking move. Well done, guys. Well done. 1 minute, nice bounce. So trying to have some patience here. It was a wild move. Okay, let's see if it holds. Okay, let's see if it holds. Okay, let's see AMD if it holds. Here we go. Come on, guys, push. Okay, trimming some more on AMD. Trying to be patient here. Amazon very ugly. Amazon very ugly. Below yesterday lows. Some bear flow on Amazon, guys. Amazon bear flow on puts 105. Watch out, Amazon. Okay, let's see if AMD is able to bounce some more. Okay, come on. Here we go, AMD. Here we go. Come on, push, guys. Push. Trimming some more above 160. Come on. Okay, trying to Be a little bit patient, AMD going. Here we go. Come on, push. Here we go. Yep, that's it. New highs on the day and we explode, guys. We explode. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Trimming some above 4 minutes, guys. 4 minutes. Big move. Big move. Well done. So AMD has a gap to fill at $8.43. Come on. Push. Big volume on AMD, first couple of minutes. Big volume. AMD on the green showing some relative strength. Come on. Come on. Tesla bouncing from the lows. Tesla bouncing. Tesla goes green. Some bull flow here on Tesla. Come on. Push. AMD. Come on. Here we go. Nice clean gains in 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. It was a beautiful move. Beautiful move. Nvidia bouncing from the lows. So we have here some oversold bounces, okay? Once again, this is this oversold bounce, guys. Oversold bounce. Not looking for the lows for the year. That no one really knows, but yeah, oversold bounce. Semis are really oversold, so dealing with this as an oversold bounce for now. Now we need some patience. Big fight here between bulls and bears. SPY new lows on the day. SPY heavy, Apple heavy. Micron MU bouncing. Amazon very ugly. MU bouncing. So this can give some strength to the bulls. Okay, Micron bouncing. Meta fading. Okay, I got some puts on Meta. Okay, I sold the rest on the AMD. Nice gains. Tesla fading now. Tesla heavy, Tesla fading now. I head to the Meta short. IWM still heavy. Market still heavy. IWM at the lows. Okay, trimming some on Meta. Boeing trying to bounce, but market still heavy. Microsoft new lows on the day. Tricky. Very tricky, guys. Market red new lows on the day. Very tricky. Okay, AMD fading now. AMD fading, Apple fading. Meta fading. Meta has a gap to fill down. Come on, push. We are short on Meta. Come on. Just a little bit more. Trying to be patient. Not easy, guys. Not easy. Meta fading. Come on, guys, make new lows. Here we go. New lows on the day on Meta. Trimming some. Trim and trail, guys. Trim and trail. Here we go. Meta. New lows on the day. Come on. Meta has a gap to fill at 159.7. I got some calls on AWM. I head to the IWM. So we are trying to bounce on AWM. We are long on AWM and short on Meta. IWM coming. IWM coming. Trying the bounce versus the lows. Let's see. We are long on IWM and short on Meta. Trying to be patient. Amazon very early on that bear flow. So we are short. I've been trimming gains on Meta, guys. I'm short on Meta and long on IWM. Meta bouncing. Meta bouncing. Here we go. Come on, bounce. Meta bouncing. Come on, need some more. Market is trying to bounce, but still heavy. Still heavy. So we are short on Meta and long on IWM. Trying the bounce here. Trying the bounce in IWM. Meta fading. Come on, bring Meta down. Meta coming. Meta coming. Here we go on Meta. New lows on the day on Meta. Here we go. Here we go, Meta coming. Come on, push. Tesla bouncing. Tricky action, guys. Tricky action. As I've said, the easy part, it's gone. It was on Tuesday. Right now, a little bit more tricky. We made huge gains on AMD out of the gate. Get in, get out. Meta coming. Meta coming. Meta coming. Here we go on Meta. Meta gap fills at 159.7. Okay, trying to be patient here on Meta. Nvidia fading. Trimming some more on Meta. Meta fading. New lows on the day on Meta. Meta coming. Come on, flush it. Meta coming. New lows on Meta. Come on, break down below 160 to fill the gap. Trying to be patient here with Meta. Buying fading. AMD coming. Meta coming. New lows on the day on Meta. Stopped on IWM. Meta coming. Meta making the profits. Trimming some 50%. It paid the stop on IWM. IWM still heavy. So yeah, not catching the knife on Meta now. Okay, letting Meta dive. Okay, letting Meta dive. It's making 55% as we speak. So let it die. New lows on the day. Below 160 we have a gap to fill at 159.7. Okay, keep trimming. Keep trimming. The Meta profits are paying off the stop from IWM. We tried the bounce on IWM, that did not work, as market's still heavy. We tried the bounce on IWM, didn't work. Meta 60%. Okay, keep trimming on the way. Keep trimming on the way. Trimming some more. 160. Okay, 60%. Okay, trying to be patient here with the Meta short. Meta coming. Come on, just a little bit more to fill the gap, guys. 159.7 to fill the gap. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. Meta coming. Meta coming. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Trimming some at 165. Meta fill the gap. Okay, 65% gains. Meta fill the gap. Next biggest level 155 if it break down. So yeah, Meta coming. Come on, push. Meta paying the bills. So first, out of the gate we got the puts, the calls on AMD. Those worked great. In 5 minutes, worked just great. Now Meta falling apart. Let it die. Come on, flush it. Flush it. Okay, trimming some 70% gains on Meta. Nice one. Nice, clean. It gave time on meta. We had to the puts, so that worked. 70% as we speak. Nice one. It paid the stop on IWM. IWM did not work. Happens. Okay, coming. 80% as we speak on meta. Let it flush. AMD trying to hold and pushing back above 76.5. Meta coming. Okay, seeing bear flow on meta to 155. So if it dives, can go all the way into 155, and that will be very, very ugly for the stock, but amazing for our puts. Some more on meta. Okay, flush it on meta. Come on, guys. Flush it already. Come on. Just a little bit more. That's it. Just a little bit more. Come on. You can do it. Meta coming. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Flush. Flush meta. Meta flushing. Come on. 90%. Come on, guys. Meta coming. 159. Seeing bear flow all the way into 155 if they want it. They can flush it. Okay, trimming some 90% gains. Okay, looking for a double. Come on, guys. Nice short on meta. Nice short on meta. Okay, let's see if it continues selling. Looking to sell half of my position above 2. Let's see if we get lucky. Meta coming, some more flushing. Looking to... Here we go, we are at 2. Some more, guys. Come on, some more. Trying to be patient. Meta new lows on the day. Meta new lows on the day. Okay, sold half of Meta for a double. Well done. The biggest level on Meta 155. Let's see if they wanted to push into 155. We have this year lows at 154. Right now we are at 158. Meta coming, flushing. Here we go, some more. Nice gains. This paid well on the IWM stop. This paid well. Okay, Apple fading. So Apple, Apple going to fill the gap at 133. Almost filling the gap. Apple. Apple almost filling the gap. Amazon all the way down into 102. That's the level. 101, 102. Big breakdown on Amazon. Boeing, if you remember Boeing, I said to short at 144. Right now it's at 131. Congratulations. IWM, if you remember, we were shorting on Tuesday at 950. Okay, it's timestamped at 950. We were shorting IWM with puts 177. Right now we are at 166. So more than $10 move here. On Microsoft, new lows on the day also. We were shorting Microsoft, you remember. We shorted Microsoft here on Tuesday at 266. Right now at 253 and going. So yeah, a lot of moves on Meta. The idea was to fill the gap at 159.7. We are already at 158. We doubled the money on those puts. On AWM I got stopped. Okay, I was looking for a possible bounce, did not happen. So the gap not filled on IWM. And I sold Meta. Okay, maybe too soon, but I took the gains. Okay, maybe too soon, but I took the double. And yeah, Meta can fade way lower, but guys, I took the double. So let's try to summarize. Tesla falling. Tesla gap fills at 662. Okay, going to fill the gap. 662.9. Okay, so going. So yeah, so let's try to check it out. We start the day on AMD. It was one of the fast trade on AMD here on the first candle of the day. It was pretty much amazing. Okay, I got the calls above 110 all the way into 120, and I sold it above 2. Okay, so yeah, on this 5-minute candle, amazing. It was very fast. I was looking for a bounce on AMD, especially on the upgrade, but did not happen. Market still heavy, and yeah, that was the fast trade 5 minutes. Then we tried a move on IWM. I was looking for the bounce that did not come, so I got stopped. Took 20% loss, okay, on the IWM. And on Meta, it gave time. Okay, we were loading on puts 157.5. Okay, I can put here the chart. Puts 157.5. Let me put here the chart for you. Okay, the puts 157.5. So just to give you an idea, okay, on Meta, the low of the day was at 81 cents. I start buying at 1, okay, and I bought all the way into 90 cents area. So very nice gains, and I close it above 2. Okay, so yeah, and I'm done for now. So yeah, now what? Now we wait. Okay, what before we close the live session. We are seeing Apple at the lows 133, but it still did not fill the gap, but trying to bounce here. So let's wait to see. AMD, we tried to bounce early, it failed. Now needs above 76.5. If it goes above 76.5, it can go back into 78. Otherwise, if it roll over below 75, watch out, it's 73. On Amazon, very ugly. Okay, breakdown below 107. Yesterday lows, I said 105 was seeing bearish options activity. 102, if you saw the morning trading plan, I said between 101 and 102, that's the support zone. They are bouncing from 102.5, okay. On Boeing, I said to short here on Tuesday at 144. Right now it hit 131.6. Right now at 132, so $12 on that short. And on IWM, yeah, we shorted here on Tuesday. It was a beautiful short, okay. We shorted on Tuesday. On this move up, Tuesday at 9:50 a.m. We were buying puts 177. Right now, price at 166.95. So more than $10 pullback here on IWM. That's why on day 1, 2, 3, today day 3, that's why I was looking for an oversold bounce. We wait to see. On Meta, now bouncing. That's why you take the gains, okay? Now we are bouncing. Okay, AMD back above. So we are seeing some bounces. So let's see if they hold. AMD bouncing now. Trying a reversal on AMD. Okay, I got some calls on AMD. Let's see. AMD trying the bounce. Let's see. It's very oversold, AMD, but oversold can remain oversold, so it's a tricky place. Very, very tricky. I had some more on AMD. Okay, my average at 110. Let's see. Let's see if AMD bounce. AMD gave nice money in the morning. So if I lose some, I'm okay. Gave us nice money here in the morning. Market also trying to bounce. SPY bouncing from the lows, IWM bouncing from the lows. So let's see. AMD, my average at 110. Okay, bouncing. Bouncing. Trimming some at 125, nice bounce. Okay, let's see, need some more. Need some more. Meta bouncing. We did well closing those puts on Meta. Meta bouncing. We did very well closing those puts. Locking gains on Meta. Now let's see if it goes for a reversal on Meta. IWM bouncing. So if you remember those calls on IWM going now. So yeah, IWM took my stop. Okay, let's see if it holds. Bouncing from the lows. Took my stop on IWM. Happens. Okay, we have some oversold bounces, okay? Boeing bouncing, Amazon bouncing. Okay, big bounce now on Amazon. Amazon bounce from 102. Now we wait to see what they're going to do. Boeing bouncing from 131. Now what? Amazon, nice bounce. Okay, I sold the rest on AMD. Then. And then, I'm not going to try to catch the knife. I'm not going to try to catch the knife. this is getting a little bit shaky, and yeah, looking for the bounce. But waiting a little bit more for the confirmation. Tesla going to fill the gap. Tesla going to fill the gap. Yeah, market's still heavy, so hard to trust. Hard to trust. We are still in sell mode. But these oversold bounces are tricky. So yeah, that's it, guys. We caught the Tesla believe I filled the gap. Yeah, Tesla filled the gap. Tesla filled the gap. The next biggest level on Tesla 650. So yeah, we are a little bit in some names. Okay, in some names we are a little bit oversold, but that does not mean that we cannot go lower. Yeah, we can. On SPY, for example, this year lows at 362, we are at 373. So yeah, we have lots of room for downside on the cubes. And we also have, we fill the gap at 277 on the cubes. We also fill today gap. So yeah, we have the lows of the year 269. So yeah, we have still lots of room. IWM, they did not fill the gap, lots of room. The lows of the year 162.7, we are at 167. So yeah, we have room, but we are oversold. That's why I try to catch the knife on some of the names on AMD, on IWM, try to catch the knife a little bit. But on AMD it gone very well early in the morning on this first candle, one of the fastest gainers that I had in a while. And but get in, get out. And on Meta it was a beautiful. Here we were short on Meta to fill the gap. It filled the gap, and yeah, it was a nice one. If it breaks below 158, we have room to 155, 154 this year lows, and from there we will reevaluate. Boeing bouncing now. Boeing not bouncing. Once again, the easy part of the trading is gone. The easy part of the trading is gone. So yeah, I'm be closing the live trading session for now. I'm very happy with the gains. AMD it was fast, so yeah, it was tricky, not for everyone. But Meta, it was the trade that gave plenty of time. I started buying at 1, I bought below 1 on those puts, and we closed it above 2. And so yeah, I'm happy with that. So congratulations everyone, and I'll be looking for new setups. Let's see if we can have an oversold bounce, because yeah, we are start hitting some oversold readings, but it's tricky to catch the knife, so be careful. And if I see anything, I will let you know on Discord. Okay, IWM. Okay, IWM. Those calls 167. They keep trying those calls. Let's see. 1025, and most of my gains were made in the first 30 minutes of the day. Let me see when I closed. Yeah, the first 40 minutes I sold the last on Meta at 10:10 a.m. Okay, just before this pop. So yeah, and IWM is bouncing. So those calls 167. Yeah, they trying to bounce here on IWM. Tesla bouncing. Yeah, they trying to hold, but in my opinion, is the wise thing to do. Why? We had a big short 1, 2, 3 days. Today is day 3. On day 3, 4, you start looking for covering the shorts and looking for an oversold bounce. But market's still heavy. It's not easy to go long, but also, as you are seeing, not easy to short. because we are on day 3. So yeah, tricky action, but IWM, as you are seeing now live, IWM bouncing. Nice. If you and going IWM, you are seeing this live. Yeah, but it's hard to trust, okay? Hard to trust because it's still heavy. We are seeing some oversold bounces. Amazon exactly the same thing, okay? But Tesla, for example, breaking down as we speak, new lows. And Tesla has a lots of room for downside. 650 is the next level, below that 620. So yeah. Let me... So be careful. Once again, it's hard to try to catch the knife. Let's wait to see. So yeah, calling the end of the live trading session right now. Not seeing much on Meta. We did well closing the puts. Now, if Meta goes back below 159, you short again. Below 159 and below 158 this morning lows. If it breaks down below, it can go 154, 157, so you can short it again. So yep, that's it guys. That's it for now. And stay tuned on Discord. I will let you know if I see anything. Closing the live trading session for now. Thank you. Bye bye.